Oh yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm Keziah.
And I'm Emmanuel. And we're SZN. Today we're filming a Get to Know Us tag, 40 facts about us. We don't really know what to call it yet. We'll probably call it 40-ish facts about us.
We know it's not going to be just 20 for each. But it's a really, relaxed video. We're not, it's not really a structured... we have kind of, questions and answers on our phone. But, we're just going to go along back and forth of what we want to tell you guys. And we thought you guys would be interested. If you're not interested, you know what? That's fine. Just give a video a thumbs up, honestly. Yeah. And then you can click off. I don't care if you watch it. I'm gonna start. I'm Keziah, and I am 19 years old. I actually just turned 19 years old 3 days ago, so.
Yeah, and I'm Emmanuel. You can call me Imaan or Manu. And I'm 18 years old, and I am very far away from the nasty 19.
I am 5'3", if you were wondering.
I don't really know my height. I would say somewhere around 5'9", 5'10".
We are both freshmen in college. I am just getting my basics done, but I'm leaning towards more to acting and directing.
Yeah. And I'm going to computer engineering, but I'm also thinking of a double major with another art-related major, or maybe minoring in something art-related or business-related.
Yeah, for sure. I am bilingual. I speak Tagalog, which is a different language from the Philippines. It's a really native language.
Yeah, and I'm multilingual. I speak 3 languages, and my 3 languages that I speak are English 1, Temni, and Creole. They're both languages originating from Sierra Leone, West Africa. And yeah, I would say I also like studying languages, which is another fun fact about me. I've studied Spanish, Turkish, and Japanese in the past, and I'm looking to study French and Arabic soon.
I have 2 siblings. I'm actually the middle child. I have 2 brothers, an older one and a younger one.
I am the oldest of 6. I don't really like being the oldest. You get blamed for everything. You know?
Have really high standards for the oldest one. They expect a lot. I can't pick. I said 2. My 3 favorite colors all the time is black, gray, and blue. I always have something black, gray, or blue with me all the time. I cannot, no. I don't like colorful colors. I'm just such a dark person.
Yeah.
Not an emo person, but I'm such a dark, color-wise, I like neutral colors.
Yeah, same here. I really like neutral colors. Lately, with the whole primary trends color thing, I've been trying to go more into colors, so I've been wearing a lot of reds, yellows. I would say the most common color that you catch me wearing would be blue, only because denim is blue, and I wear a lot of denim on denim. My friends always tell me that I always look so good in denim on denim, and I'm just like, yep, you already know.
You already know what's up.
You already know. But yeah, I really love neutrals. When I'm old, I'll probably just have a closet filled with neutral.
I'm Filipino, 100% Filipino, born and raised there. Moved here about 5 or 6 years ago with my whole family. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Sierra Leone. I was born in Ghana, but I don't really consider myself to be a Ghanaian because I only lived there for about 3 years of my life, and that was when I was pretty much an infant. And yeah, I'm more recognized, or I more connect with Sierra Leone culture. As far as ethnicity, I wouldn't say I'm 100% Sierra Leonean. My mother's side is from Mali and my father's side is from Guinea. Do with that what you may. Yeah, we're just pretty much
My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love spending time Christmas. I just love the feel of it. Not really a fan of snow anymore as much as I used to be, but I definitely like snow in the Christmas because it's so pretty and stuff. But I just like how everybody's so close during Christmas time and everybody's so nice and stuff like that. It's just
so true.
It's such a I don't know, that time of the year is just so beautiful to me. So cheesy, but I just love it.
I would say Christmas time as well. I feel there's just an energy in the air when it's Christmas time, as soon as those Christmas carols start playing on the radio, you just get that vibe,
Yeah, even though you're having a bad day, it's happy, it's Christmas
it just feels
time. Good. It's family time,
Yeah.
My favorite song at the moment, me and Mandy were just talking about this, it's called Barely Finished by, say that name, try to say that, I'm telling you.
I think it's Branded.
I think it's Branded, but it's spelled BrvBrvndonP and Mission. And so, let me just give you a clip of a song.
We've been for a minute. We've been working, barely finished.
Way too much sauce.
We got way too much sauce.
This is just a little clip. It's before we get copyrighted for this song, but it's really good. You guys should check it out.
Yeah.
It makes me like productive. It's so hype and bumpy. I just want to dance, and I know I can't dance. You're probably watching this. You're like, 'cause I stop. I'm like, I stop. Okay, you can skip that part.
Okay.
Okay. Emmanuel's like,
yeah. As far as music goes, I don't really have a favorite artist that I'm listening to right now or anything. I just put like playlists on, or I go to someone's SoundCloud account and just like play all of their reposts, and if I like something,
really good.
yeah, I'll like it or repost it. Yeah, that's pretty much my music taste. I just like anything that gets me moving, or like gets me to feel some type of vibe. Like if I want to feel a sad vibe, I'm gonna put on a sad song. If I want to feel a happy vibe,
Drake.
Yep, I'm gonna put on true. I'm gonna put on like a hype song. So that's just
It just all depends. Like I'm not really picky
it
either.
depends on
Like
my mood.
yeah, but I cannot. I'm sorry, I cannot listen to any screamo, anything that's screaming in my ear. Please get that away from me. I cannot. No, any other songs, I'm fine with it. Like, you know, if it's dancing, I can dance with it. Yeah. My favorite subject would probably be English, just because I don't like math and science. Never really been a fan of it. Hate math, which is funny because I'm Asian. I should be good at math, but suck at math.
I don't really have a favorite subject. Like when I was younger, I used to really like English, and then I became like the math and science geek. And now I'm just like,
Everywhere.
you know, I'm just like, school is school. I really don't care. I just want to get my work done and go
Yeah,
home.
try to leave.
Yeah. That's pretty much it when it comes to school. I would say my favorite season is autumn. I love the autumn season. Everything is just like really cozy, warm. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. The fashion is lit. Like fall fashion is like, I would say one of my favorite seasons to style is in the fall, because you can always layer jackets and stuff like that.
It's easy to layer than like take layers off. But
Yeah.
for me, I would have to say probably spring, just because it's closer to summer and I love warmer days. But I do have to agree with him about the layer stuff. That's why I like spring too, because it's not hot yet and it's not cold, really cold. It's just in the middle. So fall and spring are kind of like in the middle between summer and winter. So like, I don't know, I just wear whatever I'm in the spring without actually, like, I hate wearing coats. I just freaking hate wearing coats. They're so bulky. But favorite clothing brand or shoes brand would probably have to be, if I have to pick, I cannot pick. I'm just gonna say that. Adidas and Nikes are like, of course, I think everybody loves that, but I just love, like, Adidas for me, I like how vintage some of their stuff is, and I just love vintage stuff. And Nikes, I love their shoes so much. Like, they're just really cute. So Yeezy as well too. If they weren't really that expensive, you already know you can try the Yeezy on.
Check out our last video, the Yeezy lookbook.
For sure. A little promotional up there. A little promo. Go check out the last video.
Yeah.
Link in the description down below if you want to see it.
As for like brands, I wouldn't really say that I like have a specific brand that I like. I would say if I had to pick, I would have to pick like shops, just to like give you guys like a feel of what I like to wear. But like I like shops like Zara, ASOS, just clothes that are pretty like alternative and like aren't really like the norm, or if they are the norm, they have like a little weird detail to them, or they have like a weird feature, or like they're just unique in that way. I like pieces like that.
Yeah, I'm more of a street styler. Like people see me a lot with ripped jeans and like oversized stuff. I'm like so small. I don't know why I think it's cute for me to wear oversized, but I just think it's comfortable. Like I'm gonna wear oversized like sweatshirt, and I love denim. Putting denim on everything. I love put denim on everything. I just love like being comfortable but still like feeling cute, you know. So like I don't know. It just depends, you know, how I'm feeling.
True. Like my style is ever evolving.
Yeah, for sure.
Like
I can be literally girly one day, and then the other day I can be like a tomboy. Like it's all different days. Yeah.
I would say like my style is very androgynous as well. Like I don't really like thinking like, oh, I dress really masculine or like dress really feminine. I just like dressing in between. You know what I mean? I like feeling like, you know, I'm breaking the rules. So like I'm not really, but I like dressing like that.
Yeah, for sure. My favorite TV show. This is really hard for me because I watched this show so many times, but The Office, Parks and Rec, that 70 shows, those type of shows. I like sitcoms, comedy shows. I just love to laugh, and they're the type of shows that I watch whenever I'm doing something. But if I want something serious, I like Criminal Minds, Psych. I like criminal shows. It just interests me, like investigating shows. Yeah.
I would say I'm pretty much the same. But like when it comes to like television or like movies in general, I feel like I watch so much TV that's so predictable that I like something that like makes me feel something. Because it's really hard for me to like be moved by a TV show. But like if a TV show moves me, that's like when I know it's good. I would say some of my shows that I've been liking to watch recently would be Game of Thrones, waiting for 2019 for season 8.
Oh gosh.
How to Get Away with Murder. Every time I see Annalise, I'm just like, goals, like everything I want to be. I like watching old sitcoms too. Like I like watching Charmed. Oh, Everybody Loves Raymond. Everybody Loves Chris. Stuff like that. Like really old sitcoms, like old TV shows and stuff like that.
We expect memories, you know, even though we were too young to remember that. It's just nice to see what time of the year, like
how things were
before.
I see someone pull out like a Motorola, I'm just like, what is that?
What is that? Such a big phone. But favorite movie would have to be Little Rascal. It's just such a really innocent movie and so cute. It's about just kids just having like trying to fix like their clubhouse that they destroyed in an accident and stuff like that. It's just really cute.
I just like watching like films that make me feel something or like teach a good lesson or have some sort of like value to them, not just like action, like throw effects here, throw this there, you know what I mean? A movie that I liked was August Rush because it was like, that's the movie that ever made me cry.
The YouTubers that inspires me the most to be where I am right now is probably Kian and JC, just because they're really funny and I don't know, they just make funny videos and I think that's something I want to do someday. The Ace family are really like nice and like such a like kind family and they're so sweet and cute. Elle's really cute and of course Colleen Diaz when it comes to fashion, she's the queen for me and it doesn't help either that she's Filipino and so I just love that about her and so yeah, she inspires me to be like a better YouTuber and be a better like fashion guru or whatever you want to call that.
Fashion influencer.
Yeah.
I would say fashion-wise, my favorite YouTubers to watch are Andrew Scott, The Lineup, and 2 They have really good editing, all of their styling is always great. It's just always good quality content with all of their videos. Entertainment-wise, I would say I like to watch Hugh Harris and Vicky Glamour. They're storytime YouTubers and they always talk about things relating to their life and they always make like a simple scenario, something to laugh about and something to like relate to and I just love that. Like they're just really warm people.
Yeah, for sure. Instagrammer that it's been inspiring me lately is probably just like what's her name? Danielle Caroline. I think I'm just hoping I'm not butchering her name, but she's been like I've been watching her videos a lot. She does a lot like a week in my college like YouTube videos and what she does and it's like a really like relaxing and it kind of relates to me like you know I just go to college do all this stuff and like I don't know she's just so like funny and cute and like really nice and smart girl and so like I don't know she just inspires me and like her Instagram is like her Instagram feed is literally like so good. I'm just like teaching you ways.
Some Instagrammers that I like to follow would be Alton Mason, OK Dion, Slick Woods. I also like to follow, who else? Yeah, The Shade Room, accounts like that.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we had to like film this
have been filming
3 times.
This is the 3rd time because the first time it cut off our head.
Yeah.
The second time it just memory was too full so we had to delete some videos. And now hopefully this is the last time we're gonna film this because I'm gonna die
Yeah,
I literally filmed the first one for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't know your head was cut off. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what video we should do next. We would love to see what you guys want to see in this channel. We would love to branch out and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But if you do, please, like I said, comment and share it to everybody. Share it to your family and friends. Make your parents watch it. I don't care. Yeah.
Follow all of our social media.
Down below, and we will see you
next time.
I'm so sorry. I'm so tired. See you next time.
Bye.
This better be filming or I'm gonna be mad.